Boy, good morning, Bucky. There you go. Okay. It's raining. Oh, you like those kind. Daddy give you the good ones? We saw you on the camera. Yeah, we saw you on the camera. You're a pretty boy. There. Delicious apple? Yay. You want some little red ones? Huh? You want some little red ones? Bucky, good boy. Bucky, good boy. You want some more apples? We'll get you some more. We got some more wild ones. Oh, that seed's no good, Bucky. That's all wet.
No, it's not. It's got a rotten spot in it.
Come here. Come here, Bucky. Come. He's coming. He's coming back. Come on. Bucky. Look. There you go.
Where'd it go?
In his mouth. Oh, the other one?
Oh, it's kind of rotten, that's why. Oh.
There you go, Bucky. Oh, good one.
Yeah, he is fattening up quite a bit. He's grown about maybe 1/3 since I first came here.
There. There you go. There you go. You hungry today? Go ahead. You got apples.
He doesn't seem to like the rotten ones anymore.
Would you?
No, he used to eat them.
He's gotten very fussy.
No, they learn from their mistakes.
Go ahead, Buck. It's okay. See? Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. You are so pretty. We saw you waiting at the door. We saw you waiting at the door. What's he got? No delicious apples for you? No delicious apples for you? No? Okay, you come back and we'll have some more.
Bye, guys. Oh, over to the seats and stuff.
You gotta keep coming so I can show my cousin you. Is it Daddy? What's he doing? What's he doing? We gave you fresh seed, it's just all wet. It's starting to rain a little harder.
Yep.
Oh, yummy, Bucky. That's good stuff. That's good stuff. Ah, something spooked him. I think it's because it's raining. It's raining quite heavy right now. Yeah, you want to go back in the forest. Yep. Get out of the rain, I don't blame you.